Hey everybody, it's game time. I was searching around on the card sites looking for boxes of things that I haven't opened on the channel before, and stuff that was on sale. I came across this. I remember opening blaster boxes of this, but I don't remember opening an entire, I think it's 20 pack box. I know I did 18. I don't think I did 17. So this was on sale, and it didn't look really familiar. It's 2 autos. You can also get some pretty cool, like artist proof, player's private issue, green, blue, orange, red, printing plates, short prints 1 in 20, short print autographs 1 in 2,115, expressionist insert 1 in 82, autograph masterpiece, color, sketch card, gallery autograph parallels, and cut signatures 1 in 32,240. Oh, artist original painting 1 in 41. That's actually not that hard. I mean, not that, not that crazy odd. So yeah, it says right here, look for original paintings. I hate the way these are so loose. You can just hear them just patting around in there, hitting the sides of the box. Not a fan of that. Almost forgot my trusty trash can. All right. Alright, let's get into this. I've always liked Topps Gallery. I remember liking the blaster boxes that I opened to this. Alright, Syndergaard, Berrios, Kluber. Here is a gallery private issue, Andrew Toles to 250. So I did get one of these. There's a Luke Weaver rookie. Giancarlo Gurriel rookie. Something turned backwards. Alex Reyes. That's the first autograph. Alex Reyes rookie. Does not appear to be anything extra special. Not numbered. Art by Mayumi Sito. So there's hit number 1. Alex Reyes. Buster Posey is the last card in that pack. There's Yelich. Alford rookie. Dozier rookie. Margot. There is the artist who drew the Alex Reyes card. And Carlos Gonzalez. Mayu, Felix Hernandez, Arrieta, sorry, Christian Yelich, heritage insert, and Steven Matz. David Dahl rookie, Franco Norris. Here is a Johnny Bench something. Hall of Fame Gallery, and a Carson Fulmer rookie. Yeah, these sketches they're really nice. These are good looking cards. Matt Carpenter, Jordan Montgomery rookie, Chris Sale, Chris Davis, and Trey Mancini. My major was commercial art, so I really like all things artistic. And these are pretty cool. Max Scherzer, JD Martinez, Manny Machado. We have a Heritage Green McCutchen. That is numbered out of 250. Number 1, 001 out of 250. Nice. Verlander. Trumbo, Benintendi rookie, Senzatella rookie. Here is a masterpiece Mike Trout. and Bautista. Aaron Judge rookie. Grichuk, Snell, another private issue Goldschmidt to 250. I think the press proof, artist proof, whatever, I think those might be blaster only. I don't remember. Anderson, Tulowitzki, Hanley, another one of the Hall of Fame, Wade Boggs, Hall of Fame Gallery, and Arcia rookie. Tolles, Moncada rookie. Kepler, a Marte, Artisans. So this is something. Artisans. Artisans are. Where are you? Maybe that's a short print, 1 in 20. Because I don't see anything that says Artisans specifically. The Hall of Fame galleries are 1 in 5. And then colored versions of those. I bet that's a short print. And Pedroia was the last card in that pack. Glasnow rookie. Jake Lamb. George Springer. Ronaldo Lopez. So not the best autographs. Alex Reyes I guess is okay. This is not a best looking card out of this set either. I don't want to like knock the artist because it's not an easy feat to, especially to draw or sketch people. But yeah, just leave it at that. Daniel Murphy, last card. Marte, Hamels, Kershaw, that looks good. Here is another private issue, Archie Bradley and Adam Jones. Kemp, Freddie Freeman, De Leon rookie, Kyle Seager, Heritage, and Didi Gregorius. Alex Bregman, I like that one. Jesse Winker rookie. Jackie Bradley Jr. There's a Griffey Hall of Fame. Trey Turner. Nice card there. A couple more packs. Sierra rookie. Matt Duffy. Hunter Renfroe rookie. Charlie Blackmon. And another Lopez. Cespedes, Alex Reyes, Archie Bradley, Dozier, and Musgrove rookie. Sano, Brinson rookie, Giolito, Mattingly Masterpiece, that's a nice card, and Tyler Austin rookie card. Last two packs. Rodriguez, Will Myers, Ian Happ rookie, that's pretty cool. Corey Seager, that's nice as well. Taiwan Walker, and lastly we have Rodon, Chris Bryant, that's a cool card. Encarnacion, another Hall of Fame, Reggie Jackson, and Justin Bohr. And that's it. Pretty much what I expected. Got like more of the private issues than I thought I would. I was kind of happy to get that one colored card. I don't think those were too easy. Yeah, the green is 1 in 98, so that's Pretty tough pull. That's it. Thanks for watching. I've got a couple other things. I've been on the hunt for some stuff that I haven't opened on the channel. I've still got a lot of videos of stuff that you've already seen me open, and I'm still going to post those because every box of cards are different. Every box of cards is different. So even if you've seen that particular brand, you know, it's still going to be something different. But still, I think it's fun from time to time to look around and find something that I've never opened here for you guys. So I do have a couple other things, a couple other tricks up my sleeve. And that's it. Everybody take care. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hope you're doing well, and I'll see you all again very soon.